Where's your flat sheet? Take it down.
What?
The flat first.
No, just put this one.
Yeah, that's the. I mean, you could have did that. It would look more rich and extravagant if you do that. I seen on YouTube. Put this on top of the puffy sheet, but we'll do it like this. If you want to make your bed look like it's costing a lot, do that.
Rain check.
I think one of those are at least.
Ain't nobody here.
Okay.
Should I put my posters over here or over there?
One right, something over here, and definitely something right there, and something right here. But that's what first, because it's your visual. You need a nice picture, like something
Shouldn't
about
have any-
landscaping,
Shouldn't have
something
no nice
relaxed.
picture. She has Tupac and Bob Marley.
Yeah, you need something like to motivate you and get up and look at.
Yeah, so I'm gonna
Like,
motivate.
if you didn't want to be noticed as a black girl, like, just want to be all hardcore black.
Exactly.
Mom. Hey, where's the pillows? No, where's the pillow cases?
The little small green ones on this case. Right?
So one gray and one white. That's it.
There's one green and one white? Wow, okay.
That's so
You picked the small, probably $20 thing.
What's that shit?
Exactly. If you were to take the $49. I ain't had that problem. I know I buy sheets every month, and yet I have none.
Well, come to my house because I got a whole bunch of your sheets washed right now. I was like, hey, Bob, I'll bring the sheets. I just blanket too. So keep this in case you don't like after taking it.
My text over for this one that I need to
Which is still with you?
Yeah, I left my.
You open it in the middle, Charlotte.
I know.
Oh, that's it's a thing. Phyllis Sham.
I left my big pillow off my bed. I need that. And
I was looking at big clothes the other day at Walmart, and
got
they didn't have
them. They don't
them.
have the real long ones?
They didn't have them.
And then also there's the 3-tier, and then also
So your pillow, the tier. Oh, and
The
your
shower
shower cabinet. Really?
You have a closet.
Do you have a closet?
I don't think we had a closet.
Well, Mr. Charlie.
Sit them on the side, not on your pillow.
What's his name?
Charlie. Everybody gotta have this stuff.
Yeah, it's fine.
That was your earloose. Shampoos.
What the hell do you do, guys?
Am I standing?
I need batteries for my one battery for my what's the thing called? My detector.
Oh yeah, your smoke detector.
Yeah, it went off the other day and it wouldn't stop. And
Because he said the batteries are low.
yeah,
Oh, jeez. Brandy, can the bottom of that laundry bag is the stretching cords or like the you got them?
Oh, you got your meeting? I didn't do that. You can have a lot of. You can have a lot of.
Edit, right?
Oh, extension cord down here.
There's no little plugs.
Posey, get you some water too.
I know.
And keep one on the side of your bed.
Yeah, Mom, is there an outlet?
There's one right here, there's one on the side of your bed. Oh, you can, so that gotta go in there?
I'll just put it.
You need an extension cord.
You got one.
Cause there's no plug over here by the TV.
There's no plug?
Are you serious?
Not over here.
See, that's why they
It's
have it
over
over
there.
there. So you're gonna have to
Switch.
switch. I mean, you can put the fish tank over there and put your TV right here. Wanna do that?
That's stupid.
Yeah, that works.
Mr. iPad, hello. Long time coming.
It's heavy. All these calling doors.
You can get in, but you can't get out. So we was gonna change the plans. We had to move things around because apparently there's no plug on this side once we move the dresser. So Poozy, I want her TV so she can see it. So we put it over here. Is it all the way to the wall, this dresser? Can we go to the wall right now? No. Hey, Mama, you moving Poozy in, Mom. Good morning, baby.
Was that
You see
another
your
pillowcase?
granddaughter? No, this is your bag for your set.
Now, can you plug her in?
The black of the berry. What's that about?
I haven't read it yet.
What?
I haven't read it yet.
You want to pick it up?
Huh?
You need to pick it up? I'm gonna put,
The office.
let this be a woosah. It should be close by, so something like this. This can be your woosah until you get like any plants. So your morning, to look at, to feel good, look at your turtle
Pretty.
and your plant.